Hello, welcome back again. If you couldn't tell by the title of this video, I'll be making a part 2 of how to achieve a Pinterest-worthy sketchbook, aka just making your sketchbook look more pleasing. I already talked about the styles in the first video, so go check that out if you don't know them already. Here are some examples of style number 2, since I didn't have the best examples last video. Basically, this style is just a full blown out drawing with nice line work and color. You can also use messy line work as well if that is more your style. Usually the colors used in this style are on the side of the color wheel, for example reds, oranges, and yellows. Or they are a palette of 2 to 3 colors that work really well with each other. Another thing to make your art pop out more or seem more interesting is to have words or speech bubbles into your art. Items you will be needing for this style are a pencil and eraser, a pen to do your line work, the colors you will be using for your drawing, and of course, your sketchbook. Like I said, same as last time, I'm going to be using a random word generator to generate my theme so that this whole entire video just goes faster. I'm going to be doing 5 words, but if I don't really know how to incorporate a word into a drawing, I'm just going to skip it and do one more word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, lasers. Okay, I like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Duck. A laser duck, okay. Probably only gonna be doing lasers. So I'm gonna be doing a human one. Despite it saying duck, I'll just make them a duck themed drawing, I guess. I'm gonna be doing heads or tails to see if it's going to be a boy or a girl. Heads. Ooh, okay. We're gonna be using a random color generator this time because, like I said in the beginning, we are gonna be using colors instead of just one color. I'm going to be picky and I'm gonna choose the one that I like the most, so let's start doing this. Ooh, that's kind of the theme of a duck, would you say? I think I might use those, so let me get those. This is my box where I keep, oh my gosh, it's a mess, I'm so sorry. The themes are white, yellow. I'm gonna get all of these 3 yellows that I see. Actually, let's go ahead and get this yellow because it's like barely used and this yellow is like super old. And then we have a light orange. See any light oranges, so pretty sure this is a light orange. If not, we can color swatch it. Let's get this orange. And this is like a salmon kind of, but that's also what's kind of on screen. This is also another type of orange, and it has like a little thingy that I can draw with, so I'm gonna color swatch those. Now we gotta start off with our thumbnail. So let's create our thumbnail. I know exactly what I'm gonna do. And oh, so inspo is from this image. We're gonna do that girl, but it's gonna be guy. He's gonna be holding a duck to the camera. The duck is gonna be like quack. We're gonna make the duck. And again, this is a thumbnail, so it doesn't have to be an amazing drawing. And it's gonna be like quack. He's gonna say quack. Is that how you say quack? Or spell quack? Is it like that? Here, I'm gonna do that. And it's gonna be like this. Mom, look at my duck. This is our guy. my gosh, dude, this looks like trash. We need an idea. We're gonna have, also, I learned this from, what's her name? I forgot her name. YouTube video is, or her channel is gonna be on screen. Ding, 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 ding. We said this, I think, in our latest video, is how you should write down what you want to color. Like, have literally everything planned out to the last minute detail. Because it'll make your drawing, like, everything is gonna just look complete. And her drawings always look complete. So you guys better do this. I know it's tedious, but I feel like you should. I think that should be it. So let's go ahead and draw out our little boy character so that we can like put him in the sketch, or so that we can have everything planned out. It's not gonna be like the best sketch ever. So what's his skin tone gonna be? I'm probably gonna use skin E17. Band-aid, I'm gonna use E15. So Band-aid E15. You can give him a little cap to hide some room up here. So let's give him a little cap to hide some room all the way up here. There. He's gonna have shaggy hair. And then let's get on a shirt. And let's make his shirt striped, actually. Because stripes, I'm always making those. I love stripes. Or what we could do, we can either just color it like this. So it's like this. So let's get rid of the stripe. Maybe like that. So this is what I have so far. As you can see, I outlined everything. I outlined some things in like brown. Here, let me get a close-up. Let me put this off. I highlight this in blue. I got some, this is the same color as this brown over here. And then I colored the hair in that, not in a black, but in like that dark brown thing. And then I colored this part of the shirt with this one. Or I didn't color it, I outlined this part. And then, why did I do this? Dude, so I think during the time lapse you can probably see it if it's not too fast. It was originally outlined with this, but then I went over it with this, and I made it halfway, like these right here, and I wish I didn't go all the way. Like, oh my goodness, I regret it so much. But right now, I'm going out for sushi, so I'll be right back. So, I'm putting this so that it, like, you guys know that I'm gone, and things may look a bit different. So, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. to talk about what I've got so far. I've checked off everything that I've done. Let me check off the cap as well. Checked off the cap. We've done the eyes. We did the eyes differently. So we did the boy and we did the duck. So we're literally done with the boy and the duck, and I got the plaque. And all I gotta do is just add stars. But like, look how good this looks. Just because like we planned everything, we color swatched everything, and like we made out our character. Oh, we didn't add lasers. Ooh, we could have like lasers in the background. So, let me go and draw out these stars. I also want to like outline these stars again to make them look better. I'm gonna go from this line. Oh man, I wish I did that. Maybe I could white it out actually. This is the finished product. And you can barely see it on camera, but like there's shadows in the duck. He's got, oh my gosh, dude, the duck. This is style number 2, basically just a full blown out drawing. Tell me if you guys want me to do style number 3. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. Comment if you want to see the 3rd style, or like if you know me in real life, like message me. Or if you know my personal accounts in real life. What am I even talking about? If you know my personal accounts and if you're like a friend of mine, like text me if you want to see style number 3. I can demonstrate it for you, and I can teach you the ways of how to be Pinterest-worthy art. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.